Giv'at Eshmar, Tel El Asmar, lies on the summit of a conical basalt hill west of Midrakh Oz, in the Menashe Mountain region. At its crown are the remains of a square fortress measuring about 27 by 28 meters, now reduced to fallen fieldstones, concealed beneath the ground. The entrance was identified on the western side of the southern wall, while in the southeast corner lies a collapsed square structure, likely the remains of a tower. From the hill, an extinct volcano, are great views of the Jezreel valley and the hills around it.